Here we have a stand of Phragmites. The problem with Phragmites is it chokes everything else out. It's an invasive species that takes over.
In the Gulf of Maine, there's many invasive species, plants, animals, all kinds of things are coming in. And one of the questions is, with warming temperatures and changes in sea level, how is that impacting invasive species like Phragmites? So in the United States in general, they say that about 50% of our original tidal marshes have been lost, mostly to development. And so that's why we have to work so hard to try to protect the ones we have. What we're standing on here is a healthy marsh, and you can take a look and see that there's plants growing that at first glance might look like, oh, it's all just grass. But when you look more closely, there's actually several different types of grasses growing, and there's even other plants. This isn't flowering yet, but this is sea lavender here. So there's much more diversity here in the healthy marsh in terms of the plants. And then when you turn and look at the Phragmites, when you walk in there, there is nothing but Phragmites.
So we have a meter by meter square here, which is called a quadrat. And here, we are outside of the Phragmites patch, and what we're looking at is biodiversity of native grasses in this particular plot. You go in 5 meters to the edge, and then when you come in 5 meters, you have a rebar that matches up with the bottom right corner. What students do are they count the number of live shoots, which are the green ones, and the dead shoots. And then 3 meters in, they have another quadrat, which they will look at the shoot density in the middle of the patch. So is there a difference in the middle of the patch versus the edge of the patch? And then of course the biodiversity count out there. And so what we're trying to track over time is if the Phragmites patch is expanding. Any animal species that thrive in short grasses will definitely be at a detriment with Phragmites pushing into the marsh.